Somali pirates have attacked a tanker carrying 2 million barrels of the most valuable cargo in the world today, hand sanitizer. In the early hours of this morning, a tanker loaded with 300 million liters of hydroalcoholic gel with a street value of £6 billion was taken hostage while en route to the UK, with the pirates allegedly demanding £50 million and 50,000 toilet rolls as ransom. "We have no choice but to pay," said a government spokesperson who is trying to negotiate with pirates off the coast of Somalia, where the tanker was seized. The nation is desperate for the tanker to arrive in the UK. The entire country is on the verge of anarchy without adequate access to hand sanitizer. And this hijacked vessel could put us back weeks if we can't resolve it quickly. The money isn't a problem. We could wire that amount of cash to them this afternoon. But we simply don't know where to get our hands of 50,000 toilet rolls. It might be shocking to discover that we are 20 years into the new millennium and there are still areas struggling on their own for their health to build and set up a maternal and child health care center. Perhaps most shocking is the fact that there are no accurate statistics on the conditions of medical centers in many areas, especially those in remote and faraway cities. The town of Grohad is located in the southwest of the city of Bargal, about 80 kilometers from the province. It is a small area, but is surrounded by a large number of nomads. Health and education are the most important aspects of human life. In a volunteer work, volunteers from the people of the region and surrounding areas purchased the materials necessary to build the Mother and Child Health Center in the city and called on the international bodies and charitable organizations to contribute to building the Mother and Child Health Center in the city. They added that they had done what they could to implement the necessary center for maternal and newborn health. Finally, they called on the Puntland Ministry of Health and the federal government to participate in the establishment and operation of the health center in light of the growing need of the community for a health center in the region in the near future.